But why is really leadership so important? The answer is because the dominant principle of organizations has shifted from supervising and managing people in order to control them to leading them in order to bring out the best in them and to respond quickly to change. Literature is very clear. A good leader makes a great difference in an institution. And high-quality leadership is crucial for an organization to be effective. Dale Carnegie and his co-authors, in their book called Motivation, say, "What is needed is leadership to help people achieve what they are capable of, to establish a vision for the future, to encourage, to coach and to mentor, and to establish and maintain successful relationships." This is what leadership is all about, and this is what educational leadership should be. While competence and competency are two strong elements in any organization, they are even more indispensable in people who are leading an organization. Leaders have to be competent. And since leading entails increased levels of influence, impact, and control, the cost of incompetency of a leader naturally becomes more serious and would have a greater impact on the organization which is at stake. Therefore, it is very critical that leaders are chosen carefully and developed carefully. The job of the leader in an organization is not only to have a motivated workforce and to maintain their motivation, it goes far beyond than that. The effective leader has the ability to make every activity meaningful. It is not a matter of changing behavior, but it is rather giving others a sense of understanding of what they are doing, of what they are striving for, of where they wish to go, where they want their organization to go. I shall conclude our first session by mentioning a study by Alma Harris. Alma studied a number of education institutions which were going through a dark patch. In her study, she elicited 5 main qualities which, according to her, a successful education leader should have. The first quality was vision and values. The leader has to have a vision, together with a number of values, all of which should be communicated to all the stakeholders involved. These values should be mostly people-centered. The next 2 elicited values were distributed leadership. Evidently, there seems to be a shift from autocratic styles of leadership to greater focus on teams and giving people more power, more say, more importance in leading an organization. The other quality is investing in staff development as a means of raising staff morale and motivation. This will also help to improve people capabilities. And finally, the last two qualities. Relationships. An entity cannot survive if there are no good relationships among stakeholders. Interpersonal relationships are pivotal in any organization. And the last quality is community building, thus creating an interconnectedness among people involved. Both internal as well as external environments have to be managed to ensure eventual success. My conclusion for today is that leadership in education is about learning. The learning of others has to be at the heart of the decision-making of any educational leader. The educational leader is the fulcrum of any organization. I sincerely hope that we will go through this journey together, so that by the end you will realize how important the role of the educational leader is. Thank you for today.